Hello, Chef here with yet another video. Ooh, this video is focusing on pepper. This is a Jamaican jerk spice blend. That's one of my peppers. Here we have black peppercorns, and right here we have green peppercorns. Do you know the difference between black and green peppercorns? Leave a comment if you do. I'm not going to mention it until I get some comments, then I'll tell you the difference between these two. So here's the video. I'm doing a pulled pork. This is a whole pork loin. This cutting board is 20 inches wide, so from corner to corner it's even a little longer. This piece of pork loin is over 20 inches. It's big. So I'm going to show you how to break it down real quickly, and we're going to do a peppercorn barbecue pulled pork. And pepper, as you know, helps boost the immune system. So follow along. I'm going to work pretty quickly and get it going. I'm using a boning knife, and I'm going to remove some of this fat as well as the silver skin. Okay, over here is my scraps. Here's the clean pork. I'm leaving the chain on as well as some of this fat, no big deal. I'm going to cut this pork into approximately 6-inch pieces. The pieces are going to make it a little bit more manageable, just like this. Okay. Yeah. There we go. Looking really good. Okay. And now, next step, seasoning up this meat here. So the first thing I like to do is I like to salt my meat. Definitely want salt on the top and the bottom. Get a lot of salt on there. Salt adds a lot of flavor. You gotta have it, you gotta love it. Okay, try to get as much of the silver skin off as you can without losing the meat. Okay, pays to have a sharp boning knife, let me tell you. Now, we're gonna put this peppercorn on here. First thing I'm gonna do is use my Jamaican jerk spice on both sides, and I'm going to rub it in. That's the reason we call it a rub right there. You got to rub it in, get it all in there good, generous amount. Okay, both sides. That should be enough. We're using quite a few different peppercorns today. Okay, so once I've got it rubbed in there good, yep, meat's gonna look just about like this. Oh yeah. Now, the green peppercorns. They're a little soft. They basically get smashed right into the meat. I'm just gonna smash them right in, rub them right in. And the black peppercorns, of course, we're gonna have to use a pepper grinder. Get those smashed up real good. And my pepper grinder that I've used, for decades, this one right here. Okay, I'm going to put about maybe 15 peppercorns, black peppercorns, right in here, all blended right up. Okay, so now we're ready to sear this. Then it's going to go in the Dutch oven and slow cook. Okay, I got a hot frying pan here. I'm adding a little bit of salad oil. and you let it cook. Okay, once it browns, we flip it over. Oh, look at that color. That's what you're looking for. 3 cloves of garlic. Okay, the last piece of pork is browning really nicely. I'll put this garlic in here. And when someone gives me a cheap beer like this one here, you know what I do with it? Oh, I surely don't drink it. I cook with it. So I take this beer and I'm going to deglaze the pan. Just like that. Oh, yeah. It's gonna be good. Okay. I got this hot Dutch oven ready to go. And what I'm gonna do is give you a little chef tip here. Another little trick for you. I'm going to take this this Dutch oven here and I'm going to line it with celery. That's right, celery sticks. I want to put this in here so the pork stays off the bottom, and this celery is going to end up going right into my sauce anyway. Not too much, just enough like this to cover the bottom. We're good right there. And then I'm going to take my pork, each piece, put it right in there. Stand these babies right up. Oh yeah. Wedge it all in there. Good. Just like that. Okay. Pork is all in. Peppercorns are in. Oh, almost forgot the garlic and the beer reduction there. Yeah, deglazing that pan out really good. Oh, that's going to be good. Now, real simple. We put the lid on this Dutch oven and we're going to slow cook it in the oven 300 degrees for about 2 hours. I'll be back. Oh yeah, look at that. So now this pork, we're going to check it with the pot fork. See what it's like here. That's just what I'm looking for. Nice chunks that come right off right there. Of course, the sauce, we're going to reduce it down and make a really nice barbecue. I just wanted to show you how soft and tender this was after just a couple of hours. And this loin's going to make a great pulled pork barbecue. Yeah, stay tuned to the next video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good right there. After I'm done prepping the food, I wipe the cutting board off with a damp towel, paper towel, disposable, and finish with a dry kitchen towel. Kills germs naturally. Wow. That's the best cutting surface you could own right there. Check it out. They do custom sizes. They do edge grain, end grain, maple, walnut, cherry, islands, counters, tables, cutting boards, chopping blocks, and these babies last for a long, long time. This one here is at least 20 years used. can see just how nice it is. The patina, the quality, wow. I like it. And it's a pleasure to chop on. Yeah. Visit your sponsors. So you're in the market for maple countertops. Why not go with the best the first time? Select solid rock maple, full rails, or blended North American hard rock maple is ideal for a countertop surface, islands, tables, backsplashes. Buy the best the first time and choose food safe Varnique finish or natural mineral oil. Check it out at your sponsor. Wow. These are the two products we recommend and use the most. We've got the Boost Block board cream. It's got a lot of beeswax in there. It's ideal for cutting boards, countertops, islands, and all culinary utensils and wood items. Love it. This is the same deal. It's the mystery oil. It is a food safe grade mineral oil. Touch of beeswax, little scent in there. I believe it's lemon, but anyway, it's really nice stuff and it's edible. They're both edible. I like them. I've got more tips. Back to the patina. Just like that. And I'm going to work it in plastic bag here, a little swirl motion like this. Okay, work it in real good. If your block's really dry, it's going to suck that oil right up. This particular block has not been oiled in a while, so it's sucking it right up really quick. You can see that. It's penetrating. Yeah. Your sponsors got them right there. This will be dry within a few minutes or hours. I'll just let it sit overnight and it'll be totally dry by morning. Thanks for watching. Keep cooking. Have a beautiful day. Don't forget to click that little like button right down there so that we know you like the video and you want to see more. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on, contact the sponsor. They're having a sale and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Check out the sponsor, All Things Butcher Block, as seen on TV and used by chefs and food service professionals around the world. Check it out at the sponsor. They're having a free shipping sale and wow, it's the best. The best butcher blocks made in the USA, as seen on TV. Contact the sponsor for yours. professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes, many styles, all made in the USA. Countertops, walnut, oak, maple, cherry, all sizes. Contact sponsor. Get the chef's cut-proof glove. Save your fingers. No more cuts. Chef tested, chef proven. Follow the link. Get cooking today. Ah, the blocks preferred by chefs. On sale with free shipping.